Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 2nd December. And first of all, national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished people of Nagaland on their statehood day. Home Minister Amit Shah greeted BSF personnel and their families on Raising Day of BSF. Overall coal production in November 2024 reached 90.62 million tons. I&B Ministry MEAI hosted Waves anime and manga contest. South Central Railway set up mechanized laundries at 7 locations. IMD issued red alert over Tamil Nadu due to cyclonic storm Fengal. PM Modi to attend swearing-in ceremony of new Maharashtra CM in Mumbai on December 5. And now some international news. Trump nominated Indian American Kash Patel as FBI director. North Korea's Kim vowed steadfast support for Russia's war in Ukraine. Trump threatened 100% tariff on BRICS countries over plans to replace US dollar. Georgia president called for new elections as protests erupt again. Now some sports news. World Chess Championship, Gukesh held defending champion Ding Liren with black in 6 game. Under 19 Asia Cup, Suryavanshi disappointed as India lost to Pakistan by 43 runs. Jay Shah began tenure as new ICC chairman. Business related news. Net GST revenues up 11.1% in November amid sharp drop in refunds. RBI may continue status quo on interest rate, moderate GDP growth forecast. Experts. FPI's selling spree continues in November at rupees 21,612 crore. And that's all in news. Thank you.